Hello, this is Food Illustrated, and today we are making a German poppy seed cake that's been wowing European coffee tables since before coffee was cool. Also, it's technically a Jewish cookie. We'll get to that. First, the crust. Flour, sugar, salt, cold butter. Pulse until it looks like damp sand. This isn't dough, it's potential. 2/3 gets pressed into the pan, firmly, like you're packing a tiny snow fort, into the fridge. The rest, that's your crumble. Set it aside. Try not to eat it. I said try. History bite. Poppy seeds have been putting Europeans to sleep and waking up their taste buds since the 14th century. This filling started in Silesia, migrated to Germany, then Jewish bakers took it east. And because Mohn sounds like Haman, the villain of Purim, the poppy pocket became Hamantaschen. So this cake isn't just dessert, it's 800 years of delicious revenge. Now, science. We're making a brewmas. Scald the milk, melt the butter, dissolve the sugar, bring it to a boil, then steady stream, whisk in the semolina. Why? Gelatinization. Those starch granules drink up hot milk, swell like happy sponges, and thicken the mixture so your poppy seeds don't sink to the bottom. You're not cooking? You're structural engineering? Add the poppy seeds. Stir constantly. 2 to 3 minutes. This should feel like stirring wet concrete. Underdo it. Soggy bottom. Overdo it. You've made a doorstop. Aim for thick but not tragic. Now we cool the base. While that happens, whole milk ricotta. Not skim. This isn't a punishment. Ricotta adds tenderness, a little tang, and makes the filling taste like it got a hug. Whisk in 1 egg, vanilla, salt. Make it smooth. Make it glossy. Make it jealous of itself. Temperature check. Your poppy base should be lukewarm. Too hot, scrambled eggs. Too cold, won't incorporate. Goldilocks temperature. You're looking for a uniform purple-gray. It won't be pretty. It will be delicious. Retrieve your chilled crust. Pour that creamy, dreamy poppy situation over top. Spread it even. Now, the crumble. Remember that reserved sandy mixture? Sprinkle it over the filling. Don't press, don't pack, just scatter like you're feeding very fancy chickens. 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 to 60 minutes. You want the crumble deep golden brown in the center to have just a shimmy, not a wave, a shimmy. Here's the hard part. You have to wait. Actually, you have to refrigerate, minimum 2 hours. Overnight is better. This isn't cruelty, it's retrogradation. As the filling cools, those gelatinized starches tighten up. They realign. They hold hands. Result? Clean slices instead of a purple landslide. Patience is an ingredient. And the taste? Buttery shortbread snap. Creamy, nutty, earthy filling. The poppy seeds aren't crunchy. They've been simmered tender. And that crumble? Golden, buttery, audibly crisp. 3 textures, 1 cake. 0 regrets. This isn't a cake that yells. It's the one people take a small slice of and then return for a third. It's been charming Europeans for 8 centuries. Now it's your turn. You are the star of your own cooking show. And as always, enjoy.